Yeah, we'll talk about heat pipe COMSOL simulation. Okay, we will just have an basic understanding on how what we have done in heat pipe simulation model. Okay, so this is the basic geometry what we have modeled here. Okay, so which includes that the vapor cavity and the porous wick and the solid copper tube. You can see that. Yeah, so this is the solid copper tube casing and heat sink, of course. So everything we have modeled. So you can see the heat sink and the heat source. Okay, that's where the heat transport happens. Okay, and okay. So basic thing is you can see that no the vapor cavity and the porous copper wicks, and so these are the major stuffs in the heat pipe. Okay. Once the geometry is done, this is basically a 2D geometry. Okay, so to to know to save our time, we just go for an simple geometry here, and we have defined. I mean, we have to define the laminar flow, and so these are the some physics we have to use for the simulation. And of course the meshing part is there. You can see the meshing, and we are conducting two studies here, study 1 and study 2, the dry week and the saturated week. So based on the study, like once we run the simulation, let me run it for you once again. You can see that it computes. It takes some time. Okay, so you got the results here, and you can see that velocity and temperature. You can see that plots. Okay, and of course you can we can look into the pressure. Okay, and this is the velocity in terms of the 3D, and velocity in terms of surface, even the surface part, and the pressure. Okay, so and we can also have the look at the temperature, and of course the isothermal cone course. Okay, fine. We'll catch up in the next COMSOL video or MATLAB video. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.